Located in Arlington, Massachusetts, Barismo specializes in roasting fine small batch coffees, manual per cup drink preparation, and general coffee education. Barismo is also a distributor of Hario glass coffee and tea brewing equipment. In this video, we will be demonstrating the Barismo pour-over method for brewing coffee with the Hario V60. What you will need: a coffee grinder and coffee, a Hario range server and Hario V60, a scale, digital thermometer and timer, a Hario drip kettle or other slow pour kettle. Don't forget your towel. You can use either a cloth filter or a paper filter. Now you've assembled all of the tools that you'll need, and you're ready to begin your brew. But first, we have a bit of prep work to do. Let's get started. Begin with a kettle full of hot water and prepare your filter, placing it inside the V60. Pour the hot water onto the empty filter to rinse and warm the brewing equipment. For this demonstration, we will be using the Hario cloth filter. The cloth filter offers a superior flavor with richer body and fuller aroma. Thoroughly soak the filter to ensure that it is completely saturated. Once wet, we always want to store it in cool water to ensure that it does not dry out or cause off flavors to our brew. Begin grinding your coffee. Be sure to grind only what you need for each brew. This way, you are always using freshly ground coffee each time that you brew. Coffee dosage will vary depending on taste, what coffee you use, and desired yield. Most Barismo coffees brew well at around 2 to 5 grams per ounce. Put your ground coffee into the filter-lined V60. Make an indent in the center of the grounds to assist in even drainage. Slowly begin to pour your water into the center of the grounds, pouring only enough to cover the coffee. This is called the pre-infusion. Be careful not to pour too much water. You do not want the coffee to begin dripping from the bottom of the V60 yet. Notice the rising bloom. The coffee is reacting to the introduction of hot water. This is a sign of fresh coffee, as it is still releasing carbon and will yield a bigger aroma. Allowing 20 to 45 seconds for pre-infusion, begin pouring into the center of the grinds. Move slowly in concentric circles, both outward and inward, back to the center. Notice the slow flow rate of water and the coffee's drainage out the sides of the filter and down the glass. We're pouring in concentric circles towards the center, but not all the way out to the edges, making sure to keep a wall of coffee along the filter. This will help balance your coffee's body and acidity levels. Pouring times and frequencies will vary depending on coffee dosage and desired yield. On average, you want to pour roughly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Allow the coffee to drain for 30 to 45 seconds. Again, this time may vary depending on your chosen coffee dosage and desired yield. Then repeat the pour-over steps once more as just seen. After the final drain, your coffee grounds should look similar to this, and slightly moist from remaining water. You are now ready to enjoy your freshly made V60 pour-over. Cheers!